This is my second attempt at this video because the first one did not want to upload, so I'm going to make it again. Anyway, this is going to be short. I just want to show you that you can learn with an example, so if you're not sure what to do, click on this, read through it. Also, when you get a problem wrong, you need to read through the explanation. Some of you keep getting problems wrong over and over because when you get it wrong, you just click that little got it button and you move on, but you didn't learn anything from what mistake you made. So you need to read through and learn from your mistake, okay? My tip for this IXL is to write everything down on a whiteboard or in your math journal. Because right now the problems are easy, but the further you go, they're going to get a little more complicated. So write it down, save yourself from getting problems wrong. If you use a whiteboard, just put your name on it and quarantine it for the week so it's yours all week and nobody else uses it. And let me know if you have any questions. Okay, you guys are doing great at emailing me, being specific. So just be specific. Let me know if you have any problems or questions or how I can help you. All right, I miss you guys and I'll see you soon. Bye.